arrive in style with this Dodge 2020 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are tires, 245/45 R20 BSWS performance, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, XM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112, blacktop package included, gloss black IP cluster trim rings, rear black spoiler, satin black Dodge tail lamp, badge wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted black grille with bezel, black fuel filler door, leather performance steering wheel, Challenger blacktop grille badge, black houndstooth cloth sport seat, F8 green, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50 STD, engine, 3.6L V6